So we arrived here and we didn't have any cash, so we couldn't book. So we had to go into a supermarket and they gave us some cash back for some percentage. And yeah, but now we are lucky that we got some money and that we could book the tour. So yeah, we're going on a tour with 5 spots and we're really looking forward to that. Many tourist boats here. It's raining. Gotta close the boat. Okay, well, so our first stop, the dolphins weren't that good because we didn't see many. I think I saw one, and it was starting to rain, so that was not good, and we drove away very soon. So now we stopped at the first stop and we have to order food, but since we only have $10 cash left, we can't have anything to eat now. So yeah, but we have some snacks to eat, so we will get along with that. We saw some corals and it started raining again, and then we went to this pier and here the sun came out, yay! But we're in the rainforest, so what else to expect? Sloth Island, searching for sloths. So last spot of this trip is Red Frog Beach. The trip was a disaster because we didn't see dolphins. We tried to see sloths, but the captain was like, "Can you see that one?" And we were like, "No." And then we drove to another one and we needed like 10 minutes to see something through the leaves, so we also didn't see sloths. And yeah, so I think the captain didn't put that much effort in it because other boats were very close to sloths and they were looking for some, but I think, yeah, that was not a good tour. Probably other people had a good one, but actually I think we didn't. And actually we made this tour to get to Isla Zapatia, because it's one of the most beautiful islands here. But since there was a storm, the sea is very rough and it comes very close to the beach, so actually there probably is no beach at the moment. So yeah, instead of that we are now on Red Frog Beach again, where we stay anyways. Great! So this is our last day here in Islas Bastimentos, and it's really awesome here because it's very different to Buga town. We can highly recommend you guys to go to Islas Bastimentos when you go to Bocas. We're gonna enjoy our last few hours here. She doesn't want to go into the water. Oh, can you hear him making music? That's Caribbean. Spotted a monkey! Yes, again we saw monkeys! Woohoo! You remember this guy from the beach who has played before? He's in our room. Oh wow. I guess that's what you call an ant street. That's a service. Okay. we're leaving today in the morning. It's really hard for me to go because you go through like this, the jungle all the time, and every time you see new animals, new frogs, new birds or monkeys. So it's really awesome here and I'm gonna miss it. So we gotta say bye-bye to Islas Bastimentos. Bye. Bye-bye. Ciao. Made nearly all of it. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dive! Yay! So we are starting our diving trip from Buga, and it's really awesome here. And we are on a very big boat, and we are already prepared for diving. So we got our stuff here, and they prepared everything for us over here. So it's really nice here because you don't have to do that on your own. Now we're gonna go off to the sea. Okay, so right now we did 2 dives, and at the first one I just forgot my camera. Yeah, well, but at the second one I took it with me. So yeah, we're really glad about doing diving at Buga. We can really recommend you to dive with this company because they care about everything. They're very calm and they tell you exactly what to do, so we had no stress at all, which is very important to us. So yeah, it was awesome. Oh my god guys, it's raining and raining and raining here. It's very untypical for this season because it's supposed to be dry season, but it's everything else but dry. It rains like all the time and we don't know. Well, actually now I'm looking like a kamikaze cat. And yeah, we just wanted to visit our Canadian friends, but they're waiting in the hotel now, but we can't pass, and we thought we were gonna open another beer. What else to do? You see what I mean? Oh my gosh, it's crazy. We only can make like 3 meters and then it pours rain like this. We're sitting in a fucking van and having parties. Actually with Justin Bieber, but only the music.